Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming model and BIOS version so you know menu layout. This prevents accidental wrong choices. Once done, suspend BitLocker or decrypt the drive if active, because changing Secure Boot can lock Windows otherwise. Reboot and use the Lenovo button or F2/F1 to enter UEFI. Make sure to use a USB keyboard if your laptop's keys don't respond during early boot. Now that you're in BIOS, locate Security and Boot menus, and prepare to change Secure Boot settings carefully. In BIOS, go to the Security or Boot tab to find Secure Boot options. Lenovo often lists standard versus custom modes. If the Secure Boot field is grayed out, set a supervisor or administrator password in BIOS to unlock it, then return to the Secure Boot menu. Choose Disable to turn it off for unsigned OS installs or custom to manage keys if you need fine control. Make the change, then confirm prompts to save the setting. Take note of any warnings and why the system asked for confirmation. After changing Secure Boot, choose Save and Exit so settings take effect. The system will reboot and may display errors if bootloader signatures don't match. If Windows fails to start, re-enable Secure Boot or restore the factory keys and disable the supervisor password, then try again. If BitLocker asked for a recovery key, enter it now. As a last resort, use BIOS, load setup defaults, or boot recovery media to repair the bootloader. If problems persist, record error messages before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.